The first step to extending product life and minimizing waste is to start with a higher quality product. But over time, products can and will degrade or become damaged. Although you can't prevent all linen lost to tearing, staining, or mysterious disappearance, we have some tips to help minimize laundry-related product loss. What causes product to be discarded or removed from your system? Tearing. Tearing can occur in linen chutes, storage carts, shelving, bed frames, washers, dryers, and ironers. As products age, they become more susceptible to tearing. Maintaining tensile strength of products throughout their life is key. But starting with a stronger product using Centium Core will allow products to stay stronger wash after wash, month after month. Hem stitching. Some products have what's known as a sew-off. The sew-off helps prevent the hem stitching from unraveling, so it's important that they aren't removed or clipped off. After a few wash and dry cycles, these sew-offs get smaller, and that's part of the process that secures the hem. Staining. Stains are inevitable, but they should be manageable. Staining or rewash rates should average around 3%, and most stained items should be processed through a stain reclaim process. Recovery rates should be 80% or higher. Be sure to be diligent about spotting stains early to minimize wasteful rewashing. Aggressive washing. A wash cycle that's overly aggressive can accelerate the wear on products and cause them to be removed from your inventory prematurely. Ensure the wash process, chemistry, loading parameters, and finishing procedures are appropriate for the products being washed and are managed correctly. PAR levels. A PAR level refers to the amount of product needed for 1 day's usage. We recommend a minimum of 3 PAR. This allows the cotton to rest after laundering and regain some lost moisture, as cotton holds 7 to 8% of its dry weight in water. Water acts as a lubricating agent, so it's recommended that after drying, that sheets and towels be given ample time to rehydrate before use. This could take up to 24 hours depending on the environment. Using items with low moisture content can accelerate their wear. Product misuse. Product misuse can damage textiles and render them unusable. Although you can't prevent all product misuse, here are some tips to help deal with common misuse examples, such as using wash towels for makeup removal or for cleaning shoes. Providing disposable makeup removers in the rooms and shoe rags are ways to help deter this activity. Some key points to remember. Starting with higher quality products will greatly increase overall product life. Maintain a process to monitor staining and reclaim rates. Ensure that your wash chemistry isn't too aggressive for the products you're processing. Laundered products need to rest before use for optimal performance. Provide guests with specific products for makeup removal and shoe polish. Are you having any issues with product lifespan? If you have specific questions or concerns regarding laundry process or best practices, please contact your approved chemical supplier or feel free to reach out to the laundry experts at Standard Textile. We're happy to help.